What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2024 Cadillac XT4. So you need to be in the vehicle with the vehicle running, and we can see our oil life percentage right here on the dash. How we're going to reset it is we're going to come over to this part of the screen, and if you're not already there, go ahead and hit the home button. From the home screen, we're going to click Vehicle Status. And then from this screen, we'll click Fluids and Filters. And then again, we see our oil life percentage right here. Go ahead and click on that. And then we'll click Reset. And then click Reset again. And as you can see there, it's been reset to 100%. And reset to 100% over here as well. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.